Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage juice for inflammation. Cabbage juice is a fantastic natural remedy, packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help soothe discomfort. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the best cabbage to preparing and juicing it, ensuring you get the most beneficial drink. This simple process can easily become part of your wellness routine. First, choose a fresh, firm head of green or red cabbage. Make sure it feels heavy for its size. Next, wash the entire cabbage thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Peel off any outer leaves that look wilted or damaged. Finally, chop the cabbage into pieces small enough to fit easily into your juicer's chute. This preparation ensures a smooth juicing process. Now it's time to juice. Use a good quality juicer, whether it's a centrifugal or masticating model. Slowly feed the prepared cabbage pieces into the juicer, allowing the machine to extract all the liquid. Collect the vibrant green or purple juice in a clean glass. If the juice seems too thick, you can add a small amount of filtered water to reach your preferred consistency. Enjoy the fresh taste. For the best anti-inflammatory benefits, drink your cabbage juice immediately after making it. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 24 hours, but its potency may decrease over time. For a sweeter taste, try adding a small apple or a few carrots when juicing. This can make the flavor more palatable for some.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.